Hi, welcome to Think Big Digital, and today I will show you how to add green screen in CapCut. First, let's open our app, and as you can see, I already have a project opened. Now to add a green screen, we have to select the overlay from the bottom menu and click on Add Overlay. Select the green screen, click Add, and then on the bottom, we have to select the clip, locate, remove BG. Now, if you have a green screen, you don't really need any fancy background remover or AI background remover. You can simply click on chroma key and select the color picker to green and then click on the tick mark, and here as you can see the video is completely merged on the background video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see us more on your For You page, subscribe to our channel.